In 2026, a 24-year-old from Columbus, Ohio made $4,200 in a single month. He didn't drive Uber. He didn't work overtime. He didn't sell anything to his friends or family. He used 3 free AI tools, a laptop, and about 90 minutes a day. And the craziest part? He almost didn't start early, because he thought he wasn't tech-savvy enough. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 real ways everyday Americans are making money with AI right now in 2026. These aren't theories. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. These are working methods with real tools you can start using today, for free. But pay close attention to method number 5, because that one requires $0, zero experience, and almost nobody is talking about it. I'm saving it for the very end. Before we get into it, here's what most YouTube videos about making money with AI get wrong. They show you the tools, but they never show you the actual system. How do you go from zero to your first dollar? That's exactly what this video does differently. For each method, I'm going to tell you exactly what tool to use, exactly how to start, and exactly how long it realistically takes to see money. No fluff. Let's get into it. Method number 1 is building an AI-powered faceless YouTube channel. And yes, this is exactly what you're watching right now. In 2026, you do not need a camera. You do not need to show your face. You do not need a professional studio. What you need is a script, an AI voice, and a video tool. That's it. Here's the exact system. First, you pick a niche that American advertisers pay heavily for. AI tools, personal finance, productivity, health. These niches have CPMs ranging from $15 to $40. Compare that to entertainment channels earning $2 to $4 per thousand views. The niche is everything. Second, you write your script using ChatGPT or Claude. Takes about 20 minutes. Third, you generate a human-sounding American voiceover using 11 Labs. Fourth, you drop everything into a video tool and it automatically builds your video with stock footage, text overlays, and background music. Total production time per video? 3 to 4 hours. Now the math. A channel in the AI niche with 50,000 monthly views earns between $800 and $2,000 per month from ads alone. Add affiliate links in your description and that number doubles. Most creators hit monetization between month 4 and month 8. This is not overnight money, but it is real, scalable, passive income. The number 1 mistake beginners make? Picking a dead niche with high competition and low advertiser demand. Stick to AI, finance, and productivity, and you will be in the top tier of earners. Method number 2 is AI-assisted freelancing. And this is the fastest way to make your first dollar online in 2026. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are overflowing with businesses paying $50 to $500 for tasks that AI can help you complete in under 30 minutes. Here are the most in-demand AI freelancing services right now. Video scriptwriting, SEO blog posts, LinkedIn content, product descriptions, email sequences, social media calendars. Every single one of these can be done using ChatGPT or Claude with the right prompts. Here's a real example. A client pays you $150 to write 5 blog posts. You open Claude, give it a detailed prompt, and get a strong first draft in 8 minutes. You spend 20 minutes editing, adding your own insights, making it sound human. You deliver the next day. Your effective hourly rate? Over $100 per hour. Realistically, a beginner doing this part-time can earn $1,000 to $3,000 per month within 60 days. Start with one service, get 5-star reviews, then raise your prices. The system is simple, but you have to start. Method 3 is AI affiliate marketing. And this one builds the most powerful thing in online business, recurring passive income. Here's how it works. Every major AI tool pays you a commission when someone signs up through your unique link. 11 Labs, Jasper, Pictory. In video, most pay between 20 and 40%, recurring, every single month. So if someone signs up for a $50 per month AI tool through your link, you earn $10 to $20 every month. Forever, as long as they stay subscribed. You refer 20 people. That's $200 to $400 per month from one tool. Refer 100 people across 5 tools. You're looking at $2,000 to $5,000 monthly. Completely passive. The best way to grow your affiliate income? Create helpful content around these tools. YouTube videos, a newsletter, even a simple blog post. You create it once, it earns forever. This is how the top faceless YouTubers in the AI space earn more from affiliate links than from YouTube ads themselves. Method 4 is creating and selling AI-generated digital products. This one has the highest profit margin of anything on this list. We're talking 95% profit on every sale. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service headaches. What kind of products? ChatGPT prompt packs, Notion templates, AI-generated ebooks, content calendars, resume templates, productivity systems. You create these once using AI tools and sell them forever on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Here's a real example. A prompt engineer on Gumroad sells a $27 ChatGPT prompt pack specifically for real estate agents. He built it in one afternoon. It now earns him over $3,000 a month, completely on autopilot. The secret? He solved a very specific problem for a very specific audience. Not a general prompt pack for everyone. A targeted solution for one type of person. To start, pick one profession or niche. Ask yourself, what problem do they have that AI can solve? Build a simple product around that answer. Price it between $17 and $47. Upload to Gumroad for free. Share the link. That's your entire business. And now, method 5. The one I've been holding back. This is the most underrated AI income method in 2026. And I genuinely believe it's the best one for complete beginners. Because it costs absolutely nothing to start. It's called AI newsletter arbitrage. Here's the system. Every week, dozens of new AI tools launch. Hundreds of AI news stories drop. Most Americans interested in AI have no time to follow all of it. That's your opportunity. You use ChatGPT to research, summarize, and write a clean weekly newsletter covering the top AI news and the best new tools. It reads like a friend explaining the week in AI in plain English. No technical jargon, just useful, digestible insights. You publish it free on Beehive or Substack. You grow your subscriber list by sharing on Reddit, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Here's where the money comes in. When your list reaches 1,000 subscribers, which can happen in 60 to 90 days, brands will pay you $200 to $500 per sponsored mention inside your newsletter. One mention, one email, $200. A creator doing this right now earns $4,000 a month with just 3,000 subscribers. He spends 2 hours per week on it. AI writes 80% of the content. And the best part? Your newsletter becomes a growth engine for everything else. You can promote your affiliate links, sell your digital products, drive traffic to your YouTube channel. It is the ultimate multiplier. So there you have it. 5 real, working methods to make money with AI in 2026. Faceless YouTube for long-term passive income. AI freelancing for fast first dollars. Affiliate marketing for recurring revenue. Digital products for maximum profit margins. And the AI newsletter, the secret weapon that powers everything else. Here's the only advice that actually matters. Pick one method, not 2, not 3, 1, and commit to it for 90 days. Because the number one reason people fail with AI income is not the tools. It's not the niche, it's jumping between methods before any of them have time to work. Comment below which method you're starting with. And subscribe to Automated Life, because every single week I publish no fluff, practical guides on using AI to build real income. I'll see you in the next one.